Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious looking bacon jerky. It's time to dehydrate. Haha. So glad to have you here. Today is one of my simplest recipes you have ever seen, but it's one of the most delicious, I promise. So we only need 2 ingredients today. This makes in numbers 2. So you only need bacon and teriyaki sauce. So that's pretty simple. We're gonna get started with the bacon. We put the bacon in a bowl and add the teriyaki sauce. Of course, you can do it the fancy style, like the tasty accounts on Facebook, and all they do if they spread out the bacon slice by slice, and yeah. Or you can do it just the way I do it. Take your bare hands and mix the bacon with the teriyaki sauce. This is how I like it. I like preparation with fingers. With my food, I would like to enjoy how the meat feels, how the sauce is, and I enjoy this really. I really enjoy this. So we're gonna take this one in the fridge, let it rest there overnight. And the next morning we have to start early, so the preparation time is overnight, and then we need 12 hours of dehydrating. So this is the bacon, and this is a paper towel, and now we have to get rid of the marinade, and that's pretty simple. You can take a bunch of paper towels, or if you have any better ideas, leave it in the comments. I'd appreciate that. Of course, I don't want to throw them in water or whatever, so if you have a better idea how to get rid of the marinade, please let me know. I just take a bunch of paper towels and do it like so. And in the meantime, I would like to give an advice to everyone who wants to support me. I have a Patreon site running since the beginning of this year, and it's actually doing pretty good, and I would like to thank my patrons who have joined this site so far, and I would like to give a shout out to the new members that came up the last week. So thanks a lot to Kai V, Marcus B, Foodish Cooking, The Goth, and Seth H, who are joining a longer time right now. And new last week is Jürgen F and Jens K. Thanks a lot for joining me. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the user who joined the Like a Boss membership, which is pretty cool. This helps a lot keeping 0815 barbecue alive. Thank you. If you want to join my Patreon site and be a patron and be part of 0815 barbecue, I'll put a link into the video description. You can check it out. We have got some exclusive benefits for you coming up, and of course it's all about community and helping 0815 barbecue. So get back to the recipe. This is my dehydrator, and it has some more layers and stacks than the one we use today. I only need 2. So we take the bacon with less marinade. I'm gonna place them on the dehydrator on one stack. 8, 9 slices will work there. Only thing you have to remember is make sure that there's not too much bacon on each tray, otherwise it won't dry 100%. So we need the second tray for the rest of the bacon, and the rest is more or less easy. So if you do research on the internet or via Google to check out how bacon jerky can possibly be made, you will find different ways of doing it. There are a lot of recipes that first grill or bake the bacon with a higher temperature, but that's not the way I would like to do it. So we do it a kind of a reversed searing method. We're gonna get started with a lower temperature. So we're gonna place the lid on the dehydrator, and then we start with 35 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 95 degrees Fahrenheit or so. And we're gonna let it rest in there for 4 hours. So total dehydrating time is 12 hours, and we're gonna higher the temperature step by step. After 4 hours we higher it to 50, which is 125 or so Fahrenheit. And now I open the lid and show you how the consistency is. So it's still not, it's still a little bit soft, and you can see that the fat is soft as well. So normally you don't have to give it a twist or so, because the dehydrating and the warm air gets around everything, but it's like more or less to give you a feeling how the consistency of the bacon is. So that's not 100% the goal we are looking for. So that's it. We're gonna higher it to 70 degrees, which is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Please make sure that if you're not 100% common with the Celsius Fahrenheit mix, just to Google the exact temperature. So that's now, after 12 hours of dehydrating, that's the thing we are looking for. It's completely hard. The fat is hard as well. And I will now leave you with the original footage on how I try this, and then you can hear how crunchy that is. And I really love the result. This is one of my favorite snacks to Super Bowl, to game days, with a beer or a single malt whiskey. This one is feels like in heaven. I love it. So I'm gonna leave you with the original footage on how this bacon jerky tastes. Thanks so far. Have fun.
Alright folks, bacon jerky, let's give it a shot. It's really, the texture is pretty good. You might heard it. It's crispy. It smells good. The color is really, really great. And now we try this one. And can you hear? It's really crispy. I like it. It's teriyaki sauce, it's sweet, it's bacon, it's awesome. Would be really cool if you could give this a shot. Sorry. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to visit my Patreon site. We have some great benefits coming up for you there. So thanks for watching, I'm out, see you.